This is the establishment where the murder took place yesterday. I wasn't here, but actually I'm the owner. She and my cousin live so good. So she no pass and she no stop. Yeah, so she stopped to say hi and purchase. The lady tell me, say, he tell the young man, say, the relationship is over. She cannot go any further with it. And the man decides, say, she tell me, say, the gentleman said to her, Sharon, I'm very jealous. Now believe, say, you can just say, it's over, and it goes on. Me said to her, say, Sharon, mind you make senior kill you like how they kill your son. She said to me, Haji, you know what, shoot your dog. Me nah make him kill me no. She said she go and report it. The police ain't come and they don't see him. She said she didn't want him to harass her. Arrest him, only to talk to him, give him a restraining order from not coming to the house. The accuser, I know. He is very ignorant. Yes, very, very ignorant. You have to know how to get around him. Yes, that's the type of person. So, me and him no rap. We usually talk, but his behavior, I don't tolerate him none at all.
Break out him in there. Then give 1 year so. And when he feel it, he step up.
Yeah.
And when he come inside now, he give another one. When he give me so, I take off his hand. So now, when he take off his hand now, he look up in his face and give one in his face again. Afterward, he give one cross way again. Down in belly. And he drop. Another time I'm there. So me couldn't come here so. Me come here so he cut me. Yes, and kill it what we do. And my friend still me, but me couldn't help him. Yes, for me feel it him about trap me too.
She's everything to the community, well looked up to, mannerly, loving, humble person. She's loving. If she passes her 10 times, she say hello. She's so nice. She's my friend, real friend. Every day with her. Me understand, so the police tell pastor and tell the community, say, they must not be afraid. We have him in hand.